Input device. An input device lets you communicate with a computer. You can use input device to enter information and issue commands. A keyboard, mouse, scanner, digital camera, touchpad, and joystick are examples of input device. Keyboard, used to type data into the computer. Most common input device today has a special case for giving the computer commands. A computer keyboard is a typewriter-style device which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches. Pointing device. Pointing device move some object on the screen and can do some action. Common pointing devices. Mouse, most common pointing device. Trackball, basically as an upside down mouse, joystick, game controller, and Wacom. A computer mouse, plural mice. Rarely, Moses is a handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion related to a surface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on a display, which allows a smooth control of the graphical users interface of a computer. A trackball is a pointing device consisting of a ball held by a socket containing sensors to detect a rotation of the ball about two axes like an upside-down mouse with an exposed rotating ball. The control column on an aircraft, a lever that can be moved in a several directions to control the movement of an image on a computer or similar display screen. A game controller. Gaming controller or simply controller is an input device used with the video games or entertainment system to provide input a video game. Wacom provides interactive pen displays, pen tablets, style and app to equip and inspire everyone to make the world a more creative place. Scanner. A scanner allows you to scan documents, pictures of graphic and view them on the computer. You can also use software to edit the items you scan. An image scanner, often abbreviated to just scanner, is a device that optically scans images, printed text, handwriting, or an object and converts it to a digital image. Commonly used in offices are variations of the desktop flatbed scanner where the document is placed on a glass window for scanning. Digital camera, used to take electronic pictures of an object. The pictures taken by the digital camera can be used directly by a computer. Microphone, used to put sound into a computer, needs sound recording software. DVD-ROM, CD-ROM, can be used to put both sound and images into a computer. Use a laser to read a compact disc CD or DVD. Output devices. An output device displays information on a screen, creates printed copies, or generates sounds. A monitor, printer, and speakers are examples of output devices. Next, monitors and displays. Show the process on screen. A monitor or display produces a soft copy when the device is the information of the information goes away. Monitors are slowly being replaced by flat panel display. Next, printers produce a hard copy, also called printout. The information is printed on a paper and can be used when the device is off. A printer is an output device that prints paper documents. These include text documents, images, or a combination of both. The two most common types of printers are inkjet and laser printers. Last, speaker, used to output. A loudspeaker is an electroacoustic transducer, a device which converts an electrical audio signal into a corresponding sound. The most widely used type of speaker is the dynamic speaker.